Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Aiwa Exos X8 party speaker. Now you can pick this up on Indiegogo. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $179 for just the speaker and $219 for the speaker and 4 wireless mics. Now since this is on Indiegogo, let's take a look at the campaign video.
Hi, I'm Joe, Aiwa's CEO, and I want to introduce you to the Exos X8. We've come from a time when music was really the centerpiece of social gatherings. Nowadays, music has kind of faded into the background. That wasn't the case 30 years ago when you came over to listen to the stereo. And that's a really person-to-person interaction, not like being in front of a TV where the TV is the center. And so that's what we're trying to deliver. So what makes this the best party speaker? Well, number one, it's got 106 decibels of power, so that's enough to light up any backyard. Number two, it's got hours and hours of battery life, so you don't have to look for an outlet. Number three, you've got exclusive access to Aiwa.fm. It's the easiest way for all your guests to collaborate on that party playlist. And fourth, maybe most important, it's got up to 4 wireless mics. I don't know what it is about a mic, but whether you're a little kid or a senior, there's something really irresistible about handing somebody a mic where they just can't help but sing along. So as those of you who followed us know, we've become renowned for our customer service. And the Exos X8 comes with a 2-year warranty, just like all our products. It's backed by a customer service team, including myself, that takes every sale personally. Okay, let's talk about Aiwa.fm. And the easiest way is to imagine that we're having a party. And I've registered. I've got joeborn@aiwa.fm. It's not a real email, it's just a front end to this playlist. And all the guests come and they submit their favorite songs via YouTube to joeborn@aiwa.fm. And you can even see the playlist at joeborn.aiwa.fm on your web browser. You can upvote, you can downvote, it reorders accordingly. And we've all submitted our favorite music and we've created that experience. And then what happens the next day when you inevitably ask, what was that song I just got introduced to? Well, Aiwa.fm solves that too by delivering the complete playlist via email the next day.
All right, so you've seen the video for yourself. This speaker for $219 with 4 wireless mics seems like an incredible deal. Now, if you watch my channel, you remember the Aiwa Exos 9 at $300. That's still one of the dopest Bluetooth speakers that you're gonna find. So I got high hopes for the Exos 8. Now, this is a full party speaker with 20 hours worth of battery. Let's unbox it and see what it is. And on a side note, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. All right, so here's everything that you get. Got your usual books and shit. Okay, pluck them, file them to the side. You got a remote control, power, LED, a full number pad. You got volume up and down, mic priority on and off. You got repeat, EQ, playback, record, up and down, play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, Bluetooth, FM, pair, auxiliary, and USB. All your controls. You get 4 wireless mics with a digital display. You got a set and power button. These actually have a nice weight to them. You got your receiver. Got your power cable, micro USB charging cable, and a bunch of batteries for the remote control and the wireless mic. Now let's take a look at the speaker. All right, so here's the front of the speaker. You got a metal speaker grill, Aiwa branding. You can see all your LEDs underneath, and you got a display on the top. Okay, now in the very top, you can tune your FM stations. You can also skip and reverse your songs. You got your number pads. You got vocal, record, your echo effects, your mic effects, volume up and down, function, pair, EQ, change your light settings, and your repeat settings. All right, now here's the back of the speaker. You got your telescopic handle. All right, so just like luggage, carry this around. If you notice on the bottom, you got some wheels. The speaker is pretty lightweight. I can lift this with one hand. And let me show you the ports. All right, so you got two USBs. You got a line in. You got two mic inputs. Here's your on and off switch. And your AC power on the bottom. All right, so you got nothing on either side of the speaker. And that's pretty much it. All right, so let's plug it in. All right, so I got this all paired up, so now let's test it out. Now for the pairing process, real simple. Once you power on the speaker, it'll be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the Exos X8. All right, so now let's do a little sound test. Now keep this in mind. You got 6 EQ settings. So I'm going to start off on number 1. We'll try that max volume with the lights off. Here we go. All right, now I'm going to cycle through some of the different EQ settings. Let's start it over, and we'll go through the 6 different ones. Here's number 1. Here's number 2. Here's number 3. Here's number 4. Here's number 5. Here's number 6. I think number 1 is the best. All right, so now let's try another song, but this time we'll take a look at the LEDs. Here we go. Now, just in case you was wondering, what's the micro USB charging cable for? That's to charge up your wireless receiver. All right, so you just plug that in, let it charge up, and when you want to use your wireless mics, plug this into the mic input on the back and rock out. Now, y'all know I love having a microphone, so let's try this out. All right, so I just plugged the wireless receiver into the back. I got the mic. Let's hold down the power button.
Yeah. DJ Cringe. Back in the building. Let's go.
Hold on a second, y'all. All right, now hold on. All right, now let me throw some music on. I'm about to get hyped.
Yeah. DJ Cringe. Represent Southside Queens. Got that new trap Hefe. Sound of love. Let's go.
One of 18.
Yeah. That shit was. Queens. Yo. Try Hefe.
Let's go. Hold up, run that back. I need to see all the ladies on the dance floor. Let's ride.
Of 18.
Yeah.
DJ Cringe exclusive.
That shit was. Queens. Yo. Try Hefe. What you doing? Yeah. Hot.
Let's go.
What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Right, a clip, the shit popped and we right back in the mall. Feeling of the 6 drop when it was actually yours. Sound like hip hop when it was actually raw. I'm just a young trapper with a passion of flaws. Plus I got a knack to get the packages lost. All borders, I be ballin' 4 quarters. Trying to find a purpose in the streets, scratch the surface. See these rappers nervous, black heat, black Suburbans. My ex-trapper got a job, so shit ain't working for. If she don't pay a mortgage, then it's curtains for. I told her welcome back, then bought a Birkin for.
Yeah. All my dudes in the back.
Yeah.
I need to see the Hennessy bottles.
I fell in love with the game and the pain that come with it. They in love with the fame. I just want riches, came back for the gang. Told my hitters come with us. The umbrellas for the rain and Rolls Royces come with them. These niggas want these chains, tell these pussies come get them. If I back this 40 cal, them hollow tips gon' front flip them. This rap shit is confusing, it was trapping all the music. Masters or the users. Ratchets or computers, sucking traffic to a meeting or traffic with a Ruger, politicking with the demons who actually maneuver.
DJ Cringe.
Your secret was deaf and dumb.
Let's go.
If you was had a gang war on the joint, it don't mean
All right, now y'all see this microphone is way too much fun. The echo effects go from 1 to 16. So here's how it sounds on 1.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. No echo at all.
All right, now I'm going to raise it up. Let's see. Raise it up to number 6.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
All right, now let's put it on max echo, 16.
Yeah. Testing, 1, 2, 3. DJ Cringe. You know how I do.
This is way too much fun. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Aiwa Exos X8 is a major go. And at $219, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Ladies and gentlemen, Aiwa has done it again. The build quality is excellent, nice and rugged, doesn't feel cheap at all. You got a telescopic handle and the wheels, so it's easy to carry around. You get a fully functional remote control, 20-hour battery life. You got an FM radio, 2 USB ports, an EQ with 6 different settings, 4 wireless microphones with 16 different echo settings. The speaker is mad loud, it got a lot of bass, and one of my favorite things, RGB lights. For $219, this is a certified win. Now, y'all know I love having wireless microphones and I love having party speakers. This is going to be so much fun. And like I said, at $219, you cannot go wrong. Anyway, Aiwa Exos X8, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won to beam up. Energize.